Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. If you guys have been around here for a minute, you know that we absolutely love adding cottage charm to our home. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some inexpensive ways to upgrade your home on a really tight budget. So let's get to it. The first thing I want to talk about is a really easy way to add that cottage charm to your home, basically as if it's straight out of a Nancy Meyers movie. And that is using vinyl tape to make faux window paneling. And you also could do this on like a door. So many charming cottage homes have this divided window look to them, and yes, you could replace all your windows, or you could use an alternative. This is a really inexpensive way that you guys can create that same kind of feel on a really tight budget. So using vinyl tape and a level and an expo marker, I went ahead and marked where I wanted the lines to be, using that level to really make sure I got straight, precise lines. And then honestly, you just apply it. The window can still open and close without any problems, and you can still clean over it. So this was a really expensive change, and I feel like it gave us all the cozy cottage touches that I wanted in this space. Another simple way that you can make a home feel more elevated is by changing out your hardware and your locks in your home. Today's video is sponsored by DESLOC, and we've recently been using their K120 Smart Lock. One thing that I really love about it is how easy it makes everyday life, whether my hands are full and I'm carrying groceries, the kids need to get inside quickly, or we're just heading out for a walk. I can unlock the door using my fingerprint, the app, a passcode, or even a physical key. The fingerprint access is especially convenient because it unlocks so quickly and eliminates the need to dig around for those keys. Another standout feature is their removable and rechargeable battery. DESLOC says that it can last up to 16 months on a single charge, which means less maintenance and fewer battery changes to worry about. It also has a Type-C emergency charging option, which gives me extra peace of mind. Beyond the convenience, I love the sleek modern design. It's one of those small upgrades that instantly makes an entire space look more polished. If you've been thinking about upgrading your home security or simply making everyday access easier, this is a great time to check it out because during Prime Day, the DESLOC K120 Smart Lock will be available for $99, which is 42% off. I'll have everything linked below if you'd like to learn more. Another really easy trick that I like to do in all of the rooms in our house is I have slowly but surely been moving all of the curtain rods to meet the ceiling. We recently did this in our dining room video, and I loved it so much. So the goal is taking that rod, moving it closer to the ceiling, and finding curtains that go from ceiling to floor. I like to leave like an inch on the bottom for the curtains to move freely so they don't get snagged on anything. But you also want to aim to have your curtains wider than the window itself. So the reason why we do this is because it makes our ceilings appear so much taller than they actually are. And you may already have all the stuff on hand to make this change happen, so it may not cost you a single dollar. Another inexpensive upgrade that you can do is adding faux or real greenery to your home. I have to use faux greenery because I am notorious for overwatering my plants and killing them. So it's not that I neglect them, it's that I overwater them. So we stick to faux greenery in this house, but adding greenery into a space really brings it to life. It brings life to the room, it brings texture into the space, and it really can elevate an area that you feel like maybe something is missing. It can be a really good statement piece to add into any room. When it comes to lighting in this household specifically, we aim for candlelight, whether that be faux or real, and we also aim for all of that soft white lighting. So as soon as that sun goes down, all of the lamps get turned on in this house, even the ones on the kitchen counter. So when I am cooking, I'm cooking by candlelight or I'm cooking by light of the lamp, but I do not want those harsh lights on me, those bright lights. Those are like such a big no-no for me. So a really easy way that you can make that change in your home is if you don't have lamps, there are very inexpensive ones that you can get at Walmart or Target. A lot of them are like $10. Some of the ones in this house that you guys see are these exact lamps that were $10, and all we did was change the bulb out in them to give them that soft white lighting. Painting a room is one of the actual most affordable ways that you can completely transform a space. You guys often see me slinging accessible beige all around this house. Our house had so much white in it, and it just wasn't giving the cozy vibes off. So we are constantly painting accessible beige. Even if it's just one wall in a room, it can completely transform the feeling. Our bedroom has trim pieces that we painted over with accessible beige. As you guys can see here, very subtle changes, but just adding the trim and accessible beige on this one wall in our room completely changed the entire feeling of this bedroom. Another budget-friendly upgrade that you can do that is an architectural piece but changes completely the entire atmosphere of a whole room is adding an accent wall. So as I said, we did this in our bedroom using trim and paint, that was it. But we also did this in our entryway, and we did this using beadboard and a peg rail and paint, that was it. It was a very inexpensive upgrade that we made to this space, and originally this area was stark white wall with flooring, and I just couldn't figure out what to do. Adding the beadboard and peg rail completely brought the space to life. It's actually one of my favorite spots in our home now, but adding an accent wall and just slinging some paint, you would be absolutely surprised how much it can change the feel and make a room feel even more expensive with just some subtle changes. I hope this video gave you guys some ideas or inspiration of ways that you guys can completely upgrade your home without breaking the bank and spending a lot of money. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to make your home feel beautiful and cozy and full of character. Sometimes it's the small changes that make the biggest difference. I do want to go ahead and thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If this is a video style you like, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content I need to be pushing out in the future. If you guys haven't already, we would love for you to subscribe and stay at the Cook's Cottage long term. But that's going to do it for this one, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.